What's up guys, a news is coming from Huawei. Huawei has announced a new mid-ranger dubbed Huawei Y9s, which is actually a rebranded Honor 9X Pro powered by Kirin 710F instead of Kirin 810. Huawei Y9s is built around 6.59-inch notchless display which promises a screen-to-body ratio of 91%. It has a 1080p resolution and a pixel density of 391 ppi. Under the hood, the Y9s has a Kirin 710F chipset coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone runs on Android Pie based EMUI 9.1 out of the box and comes with an expandable storage up to 512GB via microSD card slot. For photography, the Y9s has a 16MP selfie camera mounted on a pop-up mechanism and a triple camera setup on the back comprising of 48MP primary shooter, 8MP of ultra-wide sensor and 2MP of depth sensor modules. The Y9s features a side-mounted fingerprint reader which is embedded in the power button located on the right side below the volume rocker. The smartphone comes in midnight black, breathing crystal colors and packs a 4000 mAh of battery which draws power through a USB Type-C port. Huawei Y9s is priced around $240 in the international market and it is expected to come in the month of December 2019 or in January 2020. So these are the details we know so far about the Huawei Y9s. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.